Welcome to another video of InstiKit School ERP update. In this video, we will be exploring the new features and improvements of version 4.2. You can check the changelog at instikit.com and you can see all the features related to this new update. The first and important thing is that it is now up to date with the latest version of Laravel 11 and Vue.js and all other packages. It is important to update all these things just to make sure that the system is secure and stable. The next update is related to SMS gateway. You can now configure the SMS gateway and send SMS to parents and students. You can select the SMS gateway like Message 91, Twilio, or even you can add or integrate your custom SMS gateway. You will need to provide API URL, method to which the API will be called, number prefix, sender ID parameter, receiver parameter, message parameter, if it needs any kind of API headers or additional parameters. Once you configure it, you can go to communication, SMS, and then click new SMS and then send the SMS to your students or parents or even to the employees. The next update is related to email. You can configure the email by navigating to configuration, mail config. You can select the mail driver like SMTP or mailgun and then provide the required configuration input, and then once you configure it, you can send email by navigating to communication, email, new email, and then enter the subject. If you want to include any emails, you can mention here. If you want to exclude any emails, mention here. Select the type of students, like you want to send email to all student or division wise student or course wise student or batch wise student, and then you can also select the employee, like all employee, department wise employee, designation wise employee, and then provide the content, and even you can add the attachments. A minor but important update is that you can now go to configuration, module, and show or hide the modules and submodules. Say you want to hide the inquiry submodules, or you want to hide, say, discipline module, so just disable it and then click save, refresh your page, and then when you go to reception, you won't see the inquiry submodule and also you won't see the discipline module. So this is how the show and hide module configuration works. The next update is related to custom field. You can go to custom field and add custom field. You need to select which form you want to add custom field, say student, and the type of input. It supports various kind of inputs like text input, email input, number input, currency, date, time picker, checkbox, or multi-select, etc. So if you want to select select input, and it will be required, let's say the name is disability and option is yes and no, and the position will be first, so it will be appeared in the first place. So let's click save, and now you can see that custom field is added. Now you can go to any student, click edit, and now you will see that disability field is available. And if I try to update it, you can see that disability field is required. I can select yes and now click update, and now the disability is stored. So you can add multiple custom fields in your form as per your requirement. The next update is related to subject-wise attendance. So if you go to student, elective subject, and select a batch, say UKG1, and subject which is elective, marked as elective, say general knowledge, and if I select this, you can see that these are the students of UKG batch 1, and these two students haven't selected this general knowledge elective subject. And if I go to drawing, you can see that only these two students have selected this general drawing subject. So if I go to attendance and try to mark subject wise attendance for UKG batch 1 for general knowledge, now you can see that only 5 students have listed here, and if I select drawing, you will see only 2 students listed here. So this is how elective subject wise attendance work. In InstiKit 4.2, a new feature is added which is called QR code based attendance. You can now ask your users or employee to scan the QR code and mark their attendance. It is a simple replacement of any biometric device. So you can click in this little clock icon and click this scan QR code button, and now you can scan your QR code and mark attendance. A detailed video is available in this YouTube channel. You can check it here. Thank you. The next update is related to Paystick payment gateway, which is one of the most popular payment gateway in Africa region. So you can now configure the Paystick payment gateway by navigating to finance, transaction, configuration, and payment gateway. You can enable Paystick and enter the client and secret, and you can also choose the Paystick mode. Once you have configured it, you can go to any student, click view fee payment, and now you can make online payment by selecting stack payment gateway. The next update is related to inventory module. You can click stock item and click add stock item. Now you can select the place and the opening quantity during the time of stock creation. So let's say I want to add a stock, say pencil, of course pencil with unit piece. The category is say teaching aids, and the total number of quantity available is say 10 at room number 1, block A, floor 0. So you can click save, and now you can see that this item is added with the quantity. Also, now you can import the stock category as well as stock item using this upload module. To download the format, you can click the profile drop down, go to download formats, and now you will get all the formats. You can click here and download the formats. So these are the features available in version 4.2. What else you want to see in the next update? Do share your feedback, request, and thank you for watching this video.